If you want to remove someone from a photo in Canva, you can do it quickly and easily right inside your design without needing complicated software or advanced editing skills. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to clean up your image, remove an unwanted person, and keep your design looking polished and professional. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more Canva tips and simple how-to guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, go to Canva and open the design that contains the photo you want to edit. You can start from an existing project or upload a new image into a blank design. Once your design is open, click directly on the photo so Canva knows which image you want to work on. This is important because the editing tools only appear after the photo is selected. After you've selected the image, look for the Edit Photo option in the top toolbar. Click on that and Canva will open up a set of editing tools on the side panel. This is where you'll find all the different effects and image adjustments available for your photo. Scroll through the options until you find Magic Eraser. This is the tool that lets you remove unwanted objects or people from an image by brushing over them. Click Magic Eraser to activate it. Once the tool is open, adjust your brush size if needed so you can work more precisely. Then carefully brush over the person you want to remove from the photo. Try to cover the full area of the person, including edges around the body, arms, and any shadows if possible. The better your brush coverage, the cleaner the result usually is. Now click Erase and Canva will process the image and try to reconstruct the background behind the person. Depending on the photo, this may take just a moment. If the first result doesn't look perfect, don't worry. You can simply brush over the area again and run the Erase tool another time to improve the final look. For complex backgrounds, it may take a couple of attempts to get the best result. Once you're happy with how the image looks, click Done to apply the changes and save the edit to your design. At this point, the person should be removed and your photo should look much cleaner and more professional. If you need to make any final adjustments, you can always go back and use the tool again until the result looks right. One helpful tip is to zoom in before using Magic Eraser. That way, you can be more accurate when brushing over the person you want to remove. It also helps to work slowly around the edges, especially if the person is standing in front of a detailed background. And if the image has shadows or reflections, you may need to erase those separately for a smoother finish. So that's how to remove someone from a photo in Canva using the Magic Eraser tool. It's fast, beginner-friendly, and a great way to clean up your visuals without leaving Canva. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy Canva tutorials and editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.